It's a marathon, not a sprint, remember? So I'm just investing. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica, and in today's video we're going to be talking about Dave Ramsey's Baby Step 4, which is to invest 15% of your income toward retirement. So baby step number 4. This comes after baby step 3, which is to save up 3 to 6 months of emergency expenses. So once you have your 3 to 6 months worth of expenses saved up, then you can start investing. So for this step, Dave Ramsey recommends that you figure out how much money you need for your retirement. And he has a retirement calculator. He calls it the Retired Inspired Quotient, or the RIQ, and this is on his website, and you can use that to determine how much you will need for your retirement. You should invest 15% of your gross income into pre-tax retirement accounts and Roth IRA. So if your workplace has a 403b, 401k, you should do those. In the military, we have a TSP, a thrift savings plan. I don't invest in the TSP. Let me know if you do and what your thoughts are. But I just stick with the Roth IRA, and I use Vanguard. The key with all this is to start earlier because of compound interest. So the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow and compound interest happens. So when I first started this, I didn't know the difference between mutual funds, growth stock, ETFs, daily trade, and I'm still learning about all of those things. It's like a whole new world. It's like a whole different language. But I went to Dave Ramsey's website and I did the, find a smart investor pro in your area. And I spoke with them. We video chatted before Zoom got big. And after speaking with them, we were talking about exchange trade funds, or ETFs. And after talking with them, I figured out that I could do myself what they were telling me, because they wanted me to pay them for me to go on to the investment sites like Vanguard and buy the stock. They wouldn't do it for me. So for me to have to do the legwork and go on the site and pick stocks, and I was basically just paying for their advice. But after talking with them, I just figured I could just do it myself, try it myself. And so far that's been working out for me. I've been investing with Vanguard since September 2019, and it's grown about $487, I think. I'll check. So to calculate how much you need to invest, just get your monthly gross income number. And what I did is I went on Google once I had the gross income number, and I was like, what is 15% of? And then I put in the number, and then that told me how much I needed to invest every month. An IRA is a pre-taxed account, and IRA stands for Individual Retirement Account. So with this Roth IRA, you're investing money that's already been taxed. So year after year, it's going to build compound interest, and when you can take it out, I think it's 65, it's already been taxed. For the retirement account, some people use Robinhood, M1 Finance. I don't have any experience in those areas, but with Vanguard, I can tell you that the desktop site is a lot user-friendly than the app. But once you know kind of a bit more of the terminology and what to click on and get more familiar with the app, it's okay. So with investing, there's a maximum amount of how much you can put into or contribute to your IRA. So right now it's $6,000. So you can't contribute more than $6,000 into your individual retirement account or Roth IRA. With my Vanguard account, I have it connected to my bank, and you can set up automatic deposits from your bank. So when you're trying to figure out which funds you want to invest in, you can look at the history in the last 10 years and you can see how risky that fund is. And there's a scale between 1 to 5, 5 being the most risky. So for my funds, I invest in ETFs, or exchange trade funds, And with this, if I'm able to, I'll show you like right here somewhere what my funds are. But it's basically like the Lazy 3 portfolio, I think is what it's called. Plus, I have some Carnival, and I think there might be some other stock in there or a fund. But I'm a set it and forget it kind of strategy kind of type. And and I'm 33, full disclosure. And so I've got some time before I can take this out. So I've got some risky funds in there. Using Vanguard, it's completely free. You don't pay to use Vanguard. And you can keep it simple. Just keep some basic ETF funds and just keep investing in those same funds. I don't sell anything. I just keep investing in the same funds. Let it ride. And I have one or two other funds that I've added to in addition, but I'm not selling anything. I'm not selling Carnival stocks. I'm buying Carnival stocks. So I'm in this, it's a marathon, not a sprint, remember? So I'm just investing. I'm not trying to beat the market. I'm just, steadily and consistently investing into the same stocks month after month. And I know with this whole COVID thing, a lot of people were selling stocks, but Dave Ramsey says it's a roller coaster. So the people who don't do well are the people who get off the roller coaster. They jump off the roller coaster and they die. So ride the wave, ride it back up, because you're just really going to regret selling your funds at the low rate, and then you're going to lose everything you worked for. So you should, based on what I hear Dave Ramsey say, buy when the stocks are low, sell when the stocks are high. Let it ride the wave, ride the roller coaster, whatever analogy you want to use, and it's a marathon. So as I've stated in previous videos, I'm not a financial expert. I'm not an investment pro. In fact, I'm still learning about this whole investment world, and it's really interesting. And every time I do something or look up something or watch a YouTube video, I learn something new, a new terminology or something. So the hardest part about this step is just to get started. It's going to take you forever to learn everything, and you're never going to feel comfortable in knowing everything about investing, in time. It's going to take you forever. Just start investing and learn as you go. It's a learn as you go kind of thing. You're just going to waste so much time if you just feel like you need to know everything about investing before you even get started. No one's an expert at investing when they get started. As you may have noticed from my thumbnail, I look a little bit different. That's because the video I originally recorded was corrupted somehow. So I'm having to re-record the video, which is fine. So let me know if you want me to walk you through how I go in and click on funds and select them and contribute money. Let me know in the comments below. What I did to get comfortable starting is I watched some YouTube videos after I spoke with the SmartVestor Pro from Dave Ramsey's site, and I realized I could do it myself, or at least I realized I could just get started on my own, and so I'll link those videos below. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you use another system other than Vanguard, please let me know below, and let me know if you've tried Vanguard and other investment sites, and let me know which one you think is better. That's it for me for today. Bye.